In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Incognito Mode in Google Chrome. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to start a private browsing session on your computer, why you might want to use it, and a few important things to keep in mind. Let's start with what Incognito Mode actually is. When you browse in a regular Chrome window, the browser saves your history, cookies, and some site data on your device. In Incognito Mode, Chrome stops saving that local history once you close all your incognito windows. This can be useful if you're using a shared computer, signing in to multiple accounts, or just don't want certain sites to appear in your main browsing history. To open Incognito Mode from inside Chrome, first make sure Google Chrome is open on your computer. Look toward the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see a three-dot menu icon. Click on that menu. A drop-down list will appear with several options. Near the top of that list, you'll see an option that says New Incognito Window. Click on it. Chrome will immediately open a new window that looks a little different from your normal one. Typically, the background is darker, and you'll see a message explaining what Incognito does and does not do. You can confirm you're in Incognito Mode by looking for a small icon near the top of the window, often a figure with glasses and a hat, along with the words, "You've gone incognito," or similar text. Any tabs you open in this window are part of your incognito session. From here, you can browse the web as usual. Type a website into the address bar, sign into accounts, or perform searches. When you're done with your private session, simply close all of the incognito tabs and windows. Once everything is closed, Chrome will clear the browsing data from that session on your device. A quick tip: using Incognito Mode does not make you invisible online. Your internet service provider, your workplace, school, or the websites you visit may still be able to see your activity. It only prevents Chrome from saving that activity to your local browsing history, cookies, and form data. That's all you need to open Incognito Mode in Google Chrome. Remember, open Chrome, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, choose New Incognito Window, and then browse in that separate window until you're done and ready to close it.